What's up, everybody? Jonathan Pizza here with my buddy Mike Bambrick. We're here today at Highland Park, KTM World. Sitting behind me is MX1. This is Moto Bros. Hey, what's up, everybody? Want to show you something absolutely incredible today. In front of me is a brand new 2023 KTM 350 SXF. This is the new model. We just picked this up over here at KTM World from Dave and Paul, and we have not even gotten on it yet. We're about to ride this bike, review this bike, and tell you what we think here at Moto Bros. This apparently has a lot more torque than even its prior 350, and this bike certainly has tons of updated features. It's got dual maps, it's got a quick shift, it's got traction control, completely new body work, new foot pegs. We cannot wait to ride the bike and tell y'all what we think about it. What's up, everybody? Just got done putting some time on the 350 SXF 2023, and I will tell you right now, this bike is awesome. Ergonomics feel amazing. It feels like a very connected feeling now. KTM did a great job with the rider triangle. Obviously still kind of getting used to some things. The suspension needs a little bit of tweaking, but other than that, I mean, the power is there. This bike, I would probably say, is more like a 450 light. And it's that perfect go-between. It's probably better for, you know, a veteran type rider, an older rider that needs a little bit more than a 250 can offer. It's that Goldilocks, good in between, right in the middle. Again, having experience with the KTM 450, it is right there. It's in that sweet spot. KTM really dialed in this bike. Couple that power with this new body design and feel. This bike is definitely a home run for KTM. And certainly one that I think we're going to be keeping around for a while. So thanks and enjoy. Hey everybody, we're back here at the house after a great day on the KTM 350 SXF. Really happy with the bike. We just finished the 1 hour break-in period, and now the next thing we need to do is get the oil change done on it, so that way we can clear out any debris or metal shavings that may have been left in there after they built the machine back at the factory. We're going to provide you guys a video on how to do that with some tips, tricks, and what tools you'll need. So stay tuned for our next video. We hope to see you guys soon here back at the channel, Moto Bros. Check us out. Thank you.
Hit the clutch, shift the gear now, full throttle.